Hey guys, Terry here with the Forest Farm Project. Today we're going to talk about squirrel poop. So anyway, this tree, as you can see, was rotted out. Well, it was 60 feet tall and next to our garage. This thing was going to fall, and we could see it had rotted, and going down towards the ground it was rotted out. I'll try and get a picture in this video of part of the other end of this is really rotted out bad. So anyway, we had to take it down. Squirrels did live in here, but there was no babies in it, so it was no big deal. They just moved on. But anyway, they're bedding in here. The bottom was that way, down that way. So this was the base of their nest. And they had basically stuff like this in here for bedding. I've gotten this whole container full of, basically it's worm compost, probably a little squirrel poop, I'm sure. So here's a worm, and they got these little worms living in here. So this is all basically worm compost. And I know that tends to be one of your best gardening soils you can get is worm compost. So this is just a little tip I thought I'd tell you. If you ever cut a tree down that's loaded up with squirrels, you might get a little bit of black gold here. I'm going to plant some tomatoes in here. So this is about as natural as it gets. It's quality soil, I'm sure. And we're going to do a follow-up video to show you the results of using this. But I got a feeling this is going to be some phenomenal soil. We're going to get some excellent growth out of whatever we plant in it. So if you like what you see, give us a big thumbs up. Check us out on Instagram, and check y'all later.